Hello, welcome back in Python MCQ question answer series. In this video, we'll discuss about list. In this video, we'll talk about 5 MCQ question from the chapter list. So let's start. So this is our first question. Which of the following command will create a list? This is option A, option B, here this is option C, and option D, all of the mentioned. The correct answer will be option D. So you can verify all these code in Python shell or Jupyter notebook. So I'll show you each and every point here with practical example. So let's go to the next slide, and in this slide you can see that option A was list1 equal to list, and if you'll type this code in Python shell or in Jupyter notebook, the first line, and if you will check the type of the list1, it will give you the output as a list. So we can say this way we can create a list, and this is a empty list. Option B, and if you'll run the code and if you'll check the type of list1, it is also give you the list as a type, and this is also a blank list. Option C was list, then inside first bracket and within the third bracket 1 2 3, it will create a list with element 3. Length of this list will be 3, and if you run the code and if you check the type list1, it will also give as a list. So in this 3 way you can create the list. In A, B, C way you can create the list. So our answer will be all of the mentioned. Go to the next question. Question 2. What is the output when we execute list hello? Option A, HELLO with single quotes and comma separated, B this one, C this one, and D this one. The answer will be option A. You can execute in the shell to verify. If you'll type the code in your Jupyter notebook hello list hello, and if you'll press enter or run the code, it will give you this result. Go to the next question. The third question is, suppose list example is hello this way, and what is the length of list example? So the option here 5, option B 4, option C none, option D error. So the option will be option A, because if we'll count 1 2 3 4 5, that is why the length of this list is 5. You can execute in the shell to verify this. If you'll run it in the Jupyter notebook, then you will get this type of result. So the next question is question 4. Suppose list1 is this one, and what is the maximum of list1? So the option A is 2 4 4 5, option B 1 3 3, option C 1 2 4 5 4, option D 1 2 3, and the correct answer will be option C. The maximum function or max function returns the maximum element in the list. So if you run the code in the Jupyter notebook, this will give you this result. Next question. Suppose list1 is this one. What is minimum of list1? Option A is 3, option B is 5, option C 25, option D 1. So the correct answer will be 1, that is option D, because minimum function returns the minimum element in the list. So if you run the code in the Jupyter notebook, it will give this result. So that's it for today. We completed 5 questions in this video, and in the next video we'll again discuss about more 5 questions. Till then, take care, bye bye.